Hi, I am Arpita. Welcome to my channel. I have created some informative videos on decluttering clothes in the past. I am taking it a step further and today I am showing how I declutter my bags. If you like watching my sustainable fashion and lifestyle videos, subscribe to my channel. When we have too many things in our wardrobe, we feel stressed out. At least I feel that way. Without knowing, we keep gathering more items even when at the back of our mind we know that we should not buy or collect that particular item. I've started my minimal wardrobe journey some years ago. I still have many things that I am avoiding to look at, such as bags, footwear, jewellery. I'm talking about only me here. Now we have more people living in the house. Imagine how much stuff we are accumulating as a family. Today I'm taking action on my bags. As a family, we have many backpacks. I keep bags that come for free thinking I will use them. Some bags I buy thinking I need them at that moment. There are some gifts too. I'm sure you can relate to this. From this whole lot, I may use only one or two, max 3 to 4 bags. Let me share step-by-step process of decluttering bags. Step 1. Pull out all the bags from all around the house. I have bags in different cupboards, in different rooms. Can you relate to it? If yes, give a thumbs up to this video. Step 2. Separate them in different categories: selling, gifting, repurposing, donating, recycling or trash. You don't have to do all the categories. You can choose whatever suits you. Okay, let's go ahead. This is keeping pile. This keep pile. This selling. This selling. Keeping.
Three hours later.
This one, my recent favorite, and this is like used many times, keeping it. 4 backpacks are there for travel. So I am left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and around 10 bags are there for me to use. I may use only 1 or 2, max 3 to 4 bags for videos or for generally to match with my outfits or everything else. Step 3. Clean the bags, make them presentable. Wash, stitch the loose threads or buttons, basically fix them. Step 4. If you are selling them, take good pictures and post on different websites to sell. I have a video showing where you can sell your old items. You can click this link or the link will be given in the description box. Step 5. When you want to gift anything, ask yourself, is there someone who will love to use this item? See if the other person will be happy to receive the item that you are gifting them. Let's be responsible and not dump our unwanted items on someone else. When done correctly, the decluttered item goes to a person who would love to use it. Step 6. You can even try asking a friend if they are interested in this particular item. I recently got to know of an idea where the family has a box that says free and keeps all the items that can be given away. The guests who come home can pick anything that they like from that box. Isn't that interesting? Step 7. See if you can repurpose that particular bag. You may want to store other items in that bag and organize your cupboard. If you have any more ideas on how to repurpose bags, comment below. I would love to know them. Step 8. Be responsible when you are donating your bags or any other decluttered item in the house. Ask yourself, would someone else want to use it? I've created a detailed video on how to donate clothes. The tips given in that video will work similar way for bags too. Watch that video to know more about donating. You can click this link or the link will be given in the description box. Step 9. Can these bags be recycled? If an item is not in a condition to sell or donate, we should think of ideas to repurpose them instead of throwing them away to the landfills. It is definitely more sustainable option if you recycle your items. I tried to Google recycle centers near me and a list of them popped out. I will contact them and find a way to recycle an item that I don't need. You can do the same and be responsible about your own unwanted items. Step 10. Ask yourself, are all the other options not suitable for this particular bag? That should be our last option. If we can't sell, donate or recycle, the item is best to be thrown away. Those are the steps I follow when I want to declutter any item from my wardrobe or the house. By following these steps, I think we will declutter in more responsible way. Hope you got inspired to declutter some of your unwanted items. What is one tip that you use to declutter? I want to know about it, so be sure to write it down in the comment section. If you are here for the first time and haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more minimal wardrobe, styling and intentional living videos once a week. Follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration and updates. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.